olivine, mica, quartz, and topaz are examples of rocks and minerals. Have you ever wondered how these majestic looking rocks and minerals form? Well, check this out.
Did you know? The rock cycle takes place over a very long period of time. It may take millions of years for a rock to change from one type to another. Understanding the rock cycle can help us understand how the earth was formed and continues to change. That is a rock. Hey!
Oh,
Brian,
hi.
you again?
Yes. Also, I have a question.
Oh, one question.
What are the characteristics of rock?
Characteristic of rock are hardness, strength, cleavage, and chemical reaction. Rock materials solidifies either at or below the surface of the earth to form igneous rocks. Uplifting occurs forming mountains made of rock. Weathering and erosion breaks down the rocks into smaller grains, producing soil. The soil are transported by wind, water, and gravity, and eventually deposited as sediments. The sediments are deposited in layers and become compacted and cemented or litified, forming sedimentary rocks. Variation in temperature and pressure of the rock can cause physical changes in igneous and sedimentary rocks to form molten rock materials solidifies either at or below the surface of the earth to form igneous rocks. Uplifting occurs forming mountains made of rock. Weathering and erosion breaks down rocks into smaller grains producing soil. The soil are transported by wind, water, and gravity and eventually deposited as sediments. The sediments are deposited in layers and become compacted and cemented, forming sedimentary rocks. Variation in temperature and pressure of the rock can cause physical changes in igneous and sedimentary rocks to form metamorphic rocks. When exposed to higher temperatures, metamorphic rocks may be partially melted, resulting in the creation once again of igneous rocks, starting at the cycle all over again.
How are layers of rocks formed?
Skeletons of sea creatures collected in the bottom in layers. The sea became shallow and silty mud was laid down. Under its weight, the sediments were squeezed into limestone. Later, rivers washed sand into the sea. The mud hardened them into shales, the sand into gritty sandstones. Then layers of younger rocks built up on top.
Uy! Ayos ka lang ba?
Okay lang po. Kuya Kim,
Oh,
how do rocks form?
Igneous means produced from fire. Inside the Earth's core, there are a lot of molten metals and minerals. These melt due to very hot temperatures inside the Earth. The melted material is called magma. It puts a lot of pressure on Earth's surface. Sometimes, Earth's surface breaks and magma comes out. When it comes out, it is called lava. Sediments are materials that settles to the bottom of a liquid. Sedimentary rocks are formed by layers of sediment. It is comprised by small parts of rocks and dead animals or plants. These get deposited in the seabed. As they settle on each other, they press on each other and compression happens. The sediments at the bottom change to sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic is derived from the word morph, which means to be changed or transformed. Metamorphic rocks are changed forms of igneous and sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed when other types of rocks are changed due to a lot of heat or pressure.